Do you want to convert or compress images, even in bulk? We have just released a free, open-source image converter app that runs in your web browser, so no installation is needed. There are no ads and no registration is required. Because the app runs in your browser, anything you input, including the images, is never uploaded to servers. The app runs locally, and you can even use it offline. No internet connection is needed. The app supports various image formats including BMP, PNG, JPEG, WebP, and AVIF. You can convert a single image or many hundreds at once. By default, the app does not resize your images, but you can set a maximum length for the longer axis in pixels, and the app will resize proportionally. You can also adjust compression strength to balance between quality and file size. By default, the output images keep the same file name as the original, unless you choose a different format. For convenience, you can also add a suffix, a short piece of text, to the end of each file name. Under the hood, this app uses various open-source libraries to perform the image conversions. This is the fourth open-source application released by CasinoLove. You can find the source code on GitHub. The link to the app is in the video description. Let us know what you think. We would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to hear about the next free app we will release.